Hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com, and thank you for tuning in to another product overview. In this video, we're going to take a look at our 7-inch 38-tooth QSaw blade. This blade is specialized for our Trajan Q700, and it allows you to excel in mild steel applications from quarter to half-inch wall materials. Sawblade.com's QSaw blades are a must-have when you demand industrial cuts at a fraction of the price. Our enhanced triple chip grind industrial grade carbide lasts over 20 times longer than your conventional abrasive disc, saving you time and money in replacement blades. QSaw blades also cut cooler and faster, leaving a workable finish, getting you back to your project with reduced cut time and part preparation. To upgrade your machine with our industrial line of QSaw blades, log on to www.Sawblade.com, where you'll find all your sawing needs from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. And don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv for all your hands-on tech tips, sawing solutions, and much more. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thank you for watching. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.